Now, Guinea has joined the list of African countries rolling out its COVID-19 vaccines, and they are targeting frontline health workers and people above the age of 60. The vaccination program began in the country's capital, Conakry, where some frontline cases are registered. And the West African country has also received about 200,000 doses of the Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccines from China, and as part of its efforts to help developing countries to contain the virus. Details in this report.
Guinea has joined several of its West African neighbors in rolling out its COVID-19 vaccine drive. Healthcare workers, frontline staff, and those over 65 will be given priority.
As you know, this vaccine is intended for frontline staff. These are health workers. Then there will be workers in strategic positions and the elderly in our country. Ultimately, we want to vaccinate 20% of our population. We will do it gradually. We will start here in Conakry first because the city is home to more than 90% of our frontline cases. Then it will be the turn for the neighboring prefectures. And finally, we will go through some prefectures where the cases are very active.
The country has also received 200,000 doses of the Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccine. The doses were donated by China.
Many countries are asking for the COVID-19 vaccine, and it is very difficult for developing countries to access it. To help these countries get these vaccines, China promised to make them a global public good so that they would be accessible and affordable in developing countries. To this end, China has been working hard to make Guinea one of the first countries to benefit from Chinese vaccine donations so that the country can vaccinate its population as soon as possible.
Guinea's vaccination campaign is set to run for several months. The country hopes to vaccinate nearly 70% of its population.